Zamaris.
All right, let's get over to meteorologist Pete Mangione now so you can see where obviously a lot more snow than we got here in Rhode Island. Talk about what happened with the storm. I guess you can call it maybe underperforming just a little bit.
Yeah, for sure. In Providence, where I live, Patrick, you got about an inch of snow. But Patrick, when we talk about Charlestown being one of the snow jackpots, or Richmond,
right.
That's just a very strange storm, right? So let's show you what's happened with how much has fallen from that storm so far. Now, we may add a little bit to this in north and northeastern Rhode Island, as there is still some snow and mix out there. Generally, though, the 8 to 12 inch swath, which I thought would certainly get into Providence, most of the area, just never materialized. I mean, it snowed where I lived for a good part of the afternoon and evening. We just didn't get those heavier bands of snow we really needed to stick to the ground very much. But we did get that happening here in northwest Rhode Island, down through sections of West Lisa. I report close to 7 or 8 inches there, and that was as of mid-afternoon yesterday. So that snow is really coming down in places like Westerly, Western Rhode Island, West Greenwich in this 8 to 12 inch zone. And you can see Providence Point southeast generally around 2 to 4. Now, there was some rain and wet snow mixing in, so those that do have to shovel this morning will be shoveling some fairly wet and heavy snow. I mentioned how some of that precipitation is still lingering. Notice here in northern Rhode Island and northern Bristol County, even down through sections of Providence, we still have some showers, snow, and a little bit of drizzle falling. So do be careful out there, as there will be some slick spots on the roads. You can see here the situation in Narragansett, a little bit breezy with that snow on the ground and some of those icy conditions possible. Here's a look at Newport, city by the sea, with our temperatures in the mid-30s and our hurricane barrier in Providence showing that we have a wet lens with some overnight showers. Temperature is 36. Those winds are still breezy. They're out of the northeast at around 21 miles an hour, and we will get some gusts today between around 30 and 35. Not as strong as what we had yesterday, but certainly putting a little bit of a chill in the air. So let's walk you through this going hour by hour. This is around 11 o'clock this morning, where we will have the chance of some of those rain and snow showers lingering, especially north and west of 295. In fact, it's in this section right here, Woonsocket through Cumberland, out through Burville, where a winter weather advisory is in effect until 4 p.m. So essentially, temperatures that are not above freezing may never really get there. If you do get above freezing, it may not be for very long, and you're close enough to that borderline where they want to keep that winter weather advisory going due to potential minor accumulations and some slick roads. Now, from Providence and down to the coast, we're not affected by that winter weather advisory. However, as temperatures drop this afternoon and this evening, some slick spots are possible really everywhere heading into the overnight time period. This is around 1 p.m. with some scattered showers still possible, mostly cloudy skies, and then deeper into the day, 3-4 p.m. mostly cloudy skies. Can't rule out excuse me, can't rule out some additional rain and snow showers throughout the day. I'm not anticipating really anything that heavy, though. And then as we head overnight into Wednesday morning, we'll see the potential of some snow showers and snow flurries developing. So I'm not really thinking about a snowstorm or anything like that for Wednesday, but certainly some snow showers possible. And then the weather pattern just stays active. So let's walk you through that. You'll notice mix with some showers today. Tomorrow, those snow showers. We do get into some sunshine on Thursday, mostly sunny skies, temperatures in the upper 30s. Then on Friday, this system fortunately looks like a fast mover, so could get some rain or snow from that, but probably not amounting to very much as it does move through rapidly. Saturday, mostly sunny skies, and then we're going to watch the possible coastal system on Sunday. I know that's probably what people don't want to hear, but a potential low pressure offshore could bring rain or snow. Too early to make the call on that right now, but we'll keep you posted on that situation as we head into Sunday. And then Monday, looking at kind of a colder weather pattern there with temperatures in the upper 20s.